Affirm Holdings. The ticker symbol is AFRM, and it IPO'd today and shot up roughly 100%. This stock price basically doubled today. Now, I know a lot of you out there are wondering what exactly this stock is, what does this company do, and is this a company that I should be invested in? Well, in this video, we're going to answer all of these questions, so if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together, and we're just going to grow together. Now, with that being said, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button, and if the subscribe button is red, I don't know why, guys, make sure to click the subscribe button, become a bro, and let's grow together. So like I said before, we're going to be talking about Affirm Holdings in this video. What exactly do they do? Now, Affirm Holdings is kind of like a credit card company or a company that allows you to pay over time. And how do they do this? They've positioned themselves and kind of differentiated themselves from a credit company by saying that what you see is what you pay. Now, just to kind of go over a little bit about what this would look like if you were to use their service. So let's say you go to an online retailer and you want to buy a new couch. Your couch costs $1,000, but you don't want to pay $1,000 up front. They're going to give you a couple different payment plans that you can go through, and I think they range from like 3 months, 6 months, and a 1-year time period. And then with those different payment plans, they're going to show you the amount of interest you're going to pay, and then the total that you're going to pay when that time is up. Now, they say that there are absolutely no late fees. So you never have to worry about paying anything over the amount you originally see. Now, this could be excellent for a lot of people who don't necessarily want to deal with all of the things that credit card companies have going on and being charged late fees and different things that just show up on your account and you're like, what is this? Where did this account come from? Or where did this transaction come from? No. Affirm Holdings is completely different than that. They let you know right up front the amount that you're going to be paying and the total that you're going to be paying when you're done with that transaction. So if the online retailer doesn't allow this payment plan, what can you do? Can you still use Affirm? Well, absolutely. You can download the Affirm app or log on to their website, and whether you're buying it on your computer or on your phone, and then you can decide to buy it through Affirm. Now, if you were to do this, let's say you were buying from Walmart and they didn't offer Affirm yet, you would simply go through the app and say that you want to make this purchase, and they would give you a one-time use credit card or credit card number that you could go ahead and apply to the transaction and check out that way. Now, I think this could be a big move in the mobile payment industry. And if you've watched any of the videos that I've done on this channel so far, you know that I believe mobile payments and digital assets are going to be the future, and they have a lot of room not only for innovation, but growth as an industry as well. So this is definitely something that I think could continue to grow in the short term and in the long term as well. Now let's talk a little bit about their financials and most importantly, right, whether or not you should be buying this stock tomorrow at the open, tomorrow anytime. So if we look at their revenue has been steadily growing over the last 3 years, and I think it stands roughly around $330 million on a trailing 12-month period right now. So this definitely isn't a small company by any means. They're doing very well, bringing in $330 million in revenue. So the size is there. Now the IPO. They IPO'd around $48 per share, I think, and they're trading right now around $98 per share. They doubled in price today alone. Now we all know that IPOs are inherently risky and there's a lot of volatility that takes place on the first day of trading. If you were able to get in, at the IPO price, you've already doubled your money. Excellent, right? Well, there's a lot of people who didn't even know this stock was IPOing. They're wondering whether or not they should get in at the $98 mark or what we should do from here. So if we're going to be investing in this stock, here's what I'm going to recommend. Tomorrow at the open, we need to see where this stock opens up at. If it opens up higher, excellent. This is going to be a good indicator that the stock is going to continue higher and the demand is still there. Now we need to be aware of all of the profit taking that could take place. Remember, all of the traders out there that were able to get in at the IPO price and able to get in early, they've already doubled their money, they could be looking to take those profits. So we need to see which way the stock is moving and whether or not we have that confirmation and that follow through tomorrow. What I like to say is wait maybe 30 minutes after the opening bell to decide whether or not you want to add this stock to your portfolio. So if we see that the stock is continuing to move higher around 10 o'clock a.m. Eastern time, and it's something that you're interested in investing in, you believe in their mission, you believe in what they're doing, then I would say yes, we can add it to our portfolios at roughly 10 o'clock in the morning, but we need to see the confirmation and we need to see the follow through. So with that being said, guys, if this stock is trading at $100, $110, $115 tomorrow morning, I think it's okay to add it to our portfolios, but we also need to make sure that we have our stop losses on. So if we do see some pullback and we do see some profit taking take place later in the day, we don't give away everything that we've already earned. And if we do get in a little late, we don't lose too much on a profit taking pullback. So with that being said, guys, if you like the content on this channel and if you like this video, please don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, I'm going to give you one more chance. Click that subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro, and let's grow together in 2021. So until the next time, I hope that all of you guys have an awesome day.